Hello beautiful people, how you doing? In today's video I'm here to show you how to achieve this beautiful makeup look. I hope that you enjoy watching. Okay, so first off, I'm prepping my face and I'm using a serum. I'm just going to apply that all over my face, and I apply that mostly where I apply a lot of makeup product. Next, I am applying my primer, and I'm just going to apply this everywhere on my face as well. After applying my primer, I'm just going to let that sit for a bit before applying my foundation. Now I'm applying my foundation and I'm just spreading that out with my finger before blending it out with my beauty sponge. Okay, so today I'm using a dry beauty sponge today. I didn't wet my beauty sponge. I'm just giving you all the details you all need to know, So I'm not using a wet beauty sponge, I'm using a dry one. Next, I'm applying my concealer. This concealer is actually on the dewy side. This is not a matte concealer. I prefer to use dewy products, foundations, concealer. So I'm applying a dewy concealer, and after applying it, I make sure to wait for about 3 to 4 minutes before blending it.
Skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well.
Okay, after blending the concealer, I'm going to set everywhere I applied the concealer. I love using this flat brush to apply my setting powder. I feel like this gives me a very flawless finish and not a cakey finish. This helps also control the amount of powder I use. When you take your powder, make sure you dust it off. This would help you avoid using excessive powder on your makeup.
Whatever I need, it's about
Okay, now it's time to bronze my cheekbones and my forehead. This will help to bring back dimension to your face. I'm using my go-to palette for bronzing. For blush, I'm using my Zico cosmetic palette. I am so obsessed with this palette, like I do not even know what to say. I just love the palette so much. Okay, now I'm just applying my blush. I just have to bring back color to my face. I can't do without applying blush. Okay, now it's time for the eye. First off, before applying your eyeshadow, make sure you prep your lids with a concealer or an eyeshadow primer. This is actually going to help your eyeshadow stay in place, and it's going to let your eyeshadow pop, like it's going to show and it's going to blend seamlessly. You're not going to have issues blending or whatsoever. I took the mustard shade and I'm just applying that above my crease. Now I'm taking this black shade and I'm going to just use that to draw a line directly on my crease.
love.
Next, I'm taking the saddle brown and I'm going to use this to blend the black shade. You just have to take your time with this process. You don't have to hurry or whatever. So just take your time. Now it might look a little crazy, but the more you blend, the more it looks better. Now I took a more fluffier brush and I'm using this to blend the black and the brown. Now I went back with the black again. I'm just going to draw that line again on my crease. I'm just going to apply a concealer and I'm using this to cut my crease. Make sure to take your time with this process so you can cut your crease perfectly.
Just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Girl, you only get one pass and you used it. You used it. Amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it?
I'm using a fluffy brush to apply that mustard shade again on my lid.
Your effort is so useless. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me.
Now I am creating a wing with that black shade I used before. I'm just going to create a wing first, then after that I'm going to smoke it out. While creating your wing, make sure you also take it under your eye and also smoke out under your eye. I used a different brush to smoke out the wing.
Now you wishing you were with me, living life so
Now I'm just trying to find the perfect lashes that I'm going to use for this look. Okay, I picked this one. It's time to highlight. Okay, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow. Now I'm just spraying my setting spray on my face. And this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.